Hello students, today we are going to do the revision of chapter number 3, that is factors and multiples. So let us start with exercise 3.1. Now exercise 3.1 is given on page number 45. Now let us see question number 1. Check the divisibility of the following numbers by 3 and 9. Now what is given in A part? A part is 723. So exercise 3.1, question number 1, A part. Now 723. Now here I have to check the divisibility of this number by 3 and 9. So what I will write? I will write first of all sum of the digits. Sum of the digits. मैं क्या करूँगी यहाँ पे? इन digits का sum करूँगी. 7 plus 2 plus 3. So this is 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Now as you can see, if the sum is divisible by 3 and 9, that means the number is divisible by 3 and 9. Now 12 is divisible by 3, but not by 9. जो 12 है वो 3 से तो divisible हो रहा है, but 9 से divisible नहीं हो रहा है. So that means 723 is divisible by 3 but not by 9. But not by 9. Okay. So this is how we have to check the divisibility by 3 and 9. Okay. Now let us do question number 2. What is given in question number 2? Check the divisibility of the following numbers by 5 and 10. Now here we will see the B part. Question number 2, B part. Now what is given in B part? 9,99,990. Now we have to check the divisibility by 5 and 10. Now see, if the digit present at one's place is 0 or 5, then it means this number is divisible by 5. Or if the digit present at one's place is 0, then it means this number is divisible by 10. Now as you can see, the digit present at one's place is 0. One's place पे जो digit है वो already 0 है. इसका मतलब this is divisible by 5 and 10 both. So I will write, since the digit at one's place is 0, so 9,99,990 is divisible by 5 and 10 both. Okay. This is how we have to do the questions based on divisibility test. Now let us do exercise 3.2. Now question number 1 is, which of the following pairs are co-prime? Now we have to find which of the following pairs are co-prime. Now first of all let me tell you what are co-prime numbers. Two or more numbers are said to be co-prime if the common factor between them is only 1. Now let us see A part. Now A part is 16 and 21. First of all I will find out the factors of 16. Okay. Now what are the factors of 16? 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Now I will find out the factors of 21. What are the factors of 21? 1, 3, 7 and 21. Now what are the common factors? Common factors कौन से हैं इसमें? 1. So I will write common factors is equal to 1. Okay. Therefore 16 and 21 are co-prime numbers. यहाँ पे इन दोनों में common number कौन सा है? सिर्फ 1. बाकी common numbers नहीं है इसमें. Therefore they are said to be co-prime numbers. Okay. Now children, let us move on to the next exercise, that is exercise 3.3. Now let us see exercise 3.3, which is given on page number 48 of your book. Now question number 1 is, find the HCF of the following numbers using prime factorization. Now there are two methods for finding HCF, prime factorization as well as long division method. We can opt for any method if it is not mentioned in the question. Now let us see the first method, that is prime factorization. Okay. Now A part is 72 and 84. Okay. Now I will find out the factors of 72 by prime factorization. Okay. Now see, it is divisible by 2 36 times, it is divisible by 2 18 times, it is divisible by 2 9 times, it is divisible by 3 times. Now 3 is divisible by 3 1 time. Now let us see 84. 84 is divisible by 2 42 times, 42 by 2 21 times. Now 21 is divisible by 3 7 times and 7 by 7 1 time. Now I will write the factors. It will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now 84 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Now I will see the common factors. This 2 is common, this 2 is common and this 3 is common. So HCF will be 2 into 2 into 3. So it will be 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So what is the HCF? HCF is 12. Now students, let us see question number 2. Find the HCF of the following numbers by long division method. In this we are going to do the long division method. Okay. So let us do question number 2, A part. Okay. Now what is given in question number 2? A part. (32) and 68. See. Now out of 32 and 68, of course 68 is greater, so I will divide 68 by 32. Now 32 ones are 32, 32 twos are 64. So it will be divisible by 68 is divisible by 32 2 times. Now 68 minus 64 will be 4. Now what I will do, this remainder will become divisor. We will divide it until we get the remainder 0. Now as the remainder is 4, so this 4 will become divisor and this 32 will become the dividend. Now 32 is divisible by 4. How many times? 8 times. So 4 8s are 32. So 32 minus 32 is 0. Therefore, this last divisor, now as the remainder is 0, so this last divisor 4 is considered as the HCF. Therefore, HCF is equal to 4. Okay. So the answer of 32 and 68, that is HCF of 32 and 68 is 4. Okay. Now let us see exercise 3.4, which is given on page number 51 of your book. Now question number 1 is, find the LCM of the following numbers by prime factorization. Now what we have to do, we have to find the LCM of the following numbers by prime factorization. Now let us see the B part, 20 and 22. So what I will do, first of all I will find out the factors of 20. So 20 is divisible by 2 10 times, 10 is divisible by 2 5 times and 5 is divisible by 5 1 time. Okay. Now here, the method which we are applying here is prime factorization. Now 22. Now 22 is divisible by 2 11 times and 11 is divisible by 11 1 time. So I will write the factors of 20 as 2 into 2 into 5 and 22 as 2 into 11. Now we will find the LCM. अब इसमें हम क्या करेंगे? First of all we will write the common numbers. Now 2 is common, so we will write 2 1 time because it is common. Now we will write the leftover numbers, which is 2, 5 and 11. Now when we multiply this, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 and 20 multiplied by 11 will give you 220. Therefore, the answer is 220. Now let us see question number 2. Find the LCM of the following numbers by division method. Let us see question number 2. Find the LCM of the following numbers by division method. Now let us see the A part, 16 and 28. Okay, now here we have to find the prime factorization of both the numbers, but all together means हम एक साथ निकालेंगे इनका prime factorization. So I'll start with 2. 16 is divisible by 2 8 times and 28 divisible by 2 14 times. Again these two numbers are divisible by 2 4 times and 7 times, and again 4 is divisible by 2 but 7 is not divisible, so I'll write 7 as it is. Now 2 is divisible by 2 1 time and 7 as it is, and 7 by 7 1 time. So what will be the LCM? LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. So it will be 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and 16 7s are 112. Therefore, the LCM is 112. Okay children, with this we have come to the conclusion of this chapter. I hope you understood well. Thank you.